Welcome back. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Modende. In this video, we are going to create a database and a table for our login system or system which will consist of register page, login, home, and logout page. So open your editor. This is folder for developing our system. So by starting to write a SQL statement for creating database and table, right click it to make a new file, then name this file as a database.sql. So what you need to do is to create database, the name of database be called Motec, and to create table, the name of table be register. Create table register. This way. So our table will consist of about 5 columns: ID, username, password, email, and the registration date, that is date for user being registered. So ID will be int, let's say int 10, not null, and auto increment. So another column will be for taking username of user. It will be of data type vulture, vulture 40, not null. So the third column of our table will be email, vulture 40, not null. Our third column of table will be password, which will be vulture 40. It will be not null. The last column of our table is reg of registration date, reg date. It is of data type code date time. It is not null, Here we should write a primary key, as table should have a unique column which identify itself. Primary key is ID. So after that, you need to put, you should put semicolon. So this is code of line for creating database called Motec and table called register. So for this code of lines to learn, copy them and paste it on SQL console. Paste it. For code of line to learn on console, Control Enter. Now, thank you. Now you can see that database is called Motec. Let's open it. It has one table called the register. Yeah, that is, I think everything is okay. You can see the structure of your table, which have 5 columns: ID, username, password, email, and the registration date. So this is the end of our tutorial for creating database and a table. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but also do not miss the next video, which will be for making connection to the database. So here you can put comment that this is the database name, and here underneath you can put comment that this is the table of database called Motec. So this is the end of our video. Do not miss next video. Also do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.